Lily, do you like my voice like this? This is my new voice. You don't like it like this? It's my new voice. Lily, it's Mommy. It's Mommy's voice. No? What about now? Is this a good voice? This is a funny voice. Really? You want Mommy's voice to come back? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. I love you. I love you. No? One more time. Alright, that's the last of the helium. Should I talk like this forever? Should I talk like this forever? Lily, do you like Mommy's voice like this? Is that a no or a yes? Can you look at me and give me a smile? Lily, do you like my voice like this? No? Okay, okay. I'll stop talking like this. Love you.